There are more than 5 billion human beings in this world who are worshipping false gods. And they have been brainwashed since centuries in the name of false gods who have no practical control over this universe. And the practical proof that they don't have any control, and the practical proof that they are not even the real God, is that in this entire universe there is only one God, there is only one creator, the one and only, the true, who practically demonstrated his name through the nature for the human beings of this world to recognize his name through the nature, without opening any book in the world, without fighting in the name of gods, without listening to any religious leader regarding the name of God. And that one is only the one who has written his name, Allah. He is the one, he is the God, the name whose name is written naturally by his power and command, who created this tree. And he is the one who practically writes and demonstrates his name through the creatures of nature. You can see on godofnature.org, and you can also see how he writes, how he has written his last prophet name through the creatures of nature, whose name is Muhammad, peace be upon him. Therefore, according to the witness of nature, according to the practical proofs from nature, according to the way he demonstrated his name and the name of his last prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, through the nature in this universe, by using animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, seeds, trees, insects, etc., the way he has done it, no other whoever ever called a god not able to do it. Only Allah did it. Only practically he is the one who demonstrated his name, because he created the nature and he has the full power and control over nature. This is why only Allah is able to write his name through the nature. And since centuries in this entire world, there were thousands of gods had been invented by human beings. Fabricated names, fabricated gods, based on their thoughts, based on what they think, what they thought, that might be God, that might be God, this person might be God, that one might be God. No, they are not gods. None of them is God. Why? Because the God is the one who has control over the universe, who controls the nature. And the practical proof should be the God should be able to write his name through the nature without any human intervention, without any human work. And the one who does it, who did it, and who keep doing it anytime, whenever he wills, through the nature, that is no one except Allah. So if anyone is telling you to worship any other God except Allah, ask that person, ask that religious leader, ask that spiritual master, ask that magician, or whatever is that person is. Legend does not care. Ask and go and demand that person to show you the name of whoever has been claimed the God. And you will never be able to see that through the nature, because there is no God except Allah who has written his name through the nature in this 21st century. He is the one who creates and generates and writes his name through the nature for the human beings of this world to see and recognize his name in the 21st century through the technology while sitting at their home. But if people are not going to use their common sense, and they are not going to understand that how is it possible that only Allah has been keep writing his name through the nature, and why all other gods are not able to write the name of them through the nature, it means that there is something wrong. From the preaching of all those people who worship false gods and who preach the name of false gods, and all false gods don't have any power to write their name through the nature. So, in the light of nature, according to the practical witnesses of nature, the creatures of nature, Allah has done it. So Allah practically proved He is the one who created this entire universe. He is the one who has to be worshipped. And the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is the one who should be accepted, the last prophet of Allah, because Allah is the creator. And there is no need to open any book in the world to know this. You can recognize the true creator and his name through the nature. And through the nature, when you recognize the name of true God, then simply accept his true religion and enter in Islam and become a Muslim. Because you and all the human beings in this world were born as Muslims by the command of Allah, by His creation. And the practical proof on this is that there are many newborn babies in the world who Allah practically controlled and allowed them to speak the name of Allah, 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 Allah. And you can also see that on godofnature.org. How Allah practically controlled the creatures of nature, animals, birds, puppies, hens, lions, newborn babies, and demonstrated His name from their mouth, Allah, 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 Allah. So how only Allah is able to do it? Why no other God except Allah is ever able to do it? Where are all the gods except Allah? Where are all the gods except Allah? Why they have been failing? Why they cannot do it? Because there is no God except Allah. All gods except Allah are false. And false gods based on imagination of human beings, they are just thoughts and thinkings, false imaginations in the mindset. So that is why they practically cannot do anything in the entire universe to write their names, because only God can do it. And the one who is the God of nature is no one else except the one who has written it, Allah. So where are you going? Come to Islam, the true religion of true God, who sent His true prophet, Muhammad, peace be upon him, 1400 years ago. Come to Islam and become a Muslim, because the only God is Allah.